How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Seaglass. Back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and today I am bringing to you the Seaglass. This is a new model here at Recreational Resort Cottages, coming in at the 399 square foot threshold tiny home. And this model today is 11 foot wide, 40 feet in length, including this 6-foot front porch, on sale today for $82K. $82,000, you're gonna get everything I'm gonna showcase today besides furniture and decorations. And keep in mind, today means today, not tomorrow, not next week. So this price, you better get it while the getting's good. And as you can see on the exterior, we went ahead with the Blueberry base. We have the Dresden Dream trim, and then that's going to have that color pop that you're looking for on the exterior. We also have the rebar railing with the metal tops there for you. Great for longevity and less maintenance. And as you make your way onto the porch, you'll see that having a 6-foot front porch is the key to outdoor living. 6 foot is where we're going to start, because that's going to give you at least enough room to have a chair, be able to kick out your legs, and have enough room to enjoy the porch. Anything less, it gets a little bit minimal. So you can see right here on the covered porch, we have 2 exterior can lights, wired and braced for a ceiling fan in the center of the porch. We've got the window up front with a prismatic window to bring in that natural light and that exterior pizzazz that you're looking for. So again, I can talk about the outside, but let's take it inside so that way you can see the great creativity that we offer here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And as you come in, you know what we had to do. We had to keep it light and airy in this home. What I've done, I turn off all the electricity, so that way you can see right here it is around 3 p.m. here, so you can see even in midday, you can see that a lot of natural light still comes in with these windows. So again, if you want to save on electricity, Mr. Tiny showing you how to get it done. So right here, starting in the living area, you can see that we have a full-size love seat right here. You even have enough space to go to a full-size couch, shall you choose to. There's multiple options that you can accommodate in this living space. We have 2 windows right here on the side wall. We have 2 windows on the front wall. As you'll see up top, the interior view of that prismatic window, that is lovely, and also gives you a chance to be able to sit inside your home and see the blueberry color of the interior porch ceiling. So that's great. Now follow me from one side over to the other of the living room, and you can see, like we choose to do here a lot at Recreational Resort Cottages, we do the built-in entertainment centers. You can see down below we've got the cabinets in white with nickel bar pools. That's great for your storage. We chose to go with the drama marble countertop right here, and you'll see that throughout the rest of the home. And then this gives you a space and a built-in niche to include your TV. It's already wired behind this picture here, so you just put your TV in there and you're ready to roll. But then up top, notice that we got the transom windows bringing in the natural light. We have the ceiling fan centered, 3 blades with white, as well as a nickel finish. What I love about the Seaglass is right here. You have the extended bar area. So that gives you more prep space, more countertop to prep your food, to have guests that need additional seating, because we've elongated the countertop here, so it gives you space for a small stool on the end. But also we have open cubbies, which works great for decor or storage, whichever you would choose. And as you make your way around, you can see that, of course, the cubbies are all the way through. You have additional cabinetry here with the cabinet door that opens up. And then what's cool is we have that blueberry continue on the inside of the home. So it continues from the outside to the inside, and we kept it down low, but we kept the white up top. So that is great, and it complements the drama marble countertop, again, with the Arctic white backsplash that we chose to go in this model. And as you make the way around, you can see we have additional cabinets down below. We chose to go with the 2-basin stainless steel sink with a window up above. But speaking of sink, you know we kept it for the blueberries on the outside with the blueberry cabinets on the inside. So where you gonna wash your blueberries? In another sink. So that's what we went ahead and threw over here. So you can wash your dishes up in that sink, wash your fresh fruits and vegetables in this sink right here that's built into the hutch, which works great if you got coffee makers, blenders, anything that you like to do. If you're getting you a nice protein shake before the gym, you know you can blend it up over here, rinse your glass out when you're done, and then put it up. Mr. Tiny's looked out for you right here in the hutch space. But for those of you in the comments, I can hear you already. Mr. Tiny, I don't need that sink. You don't have to have it. You can omit it. But this just shows you options that we can do for you here at Recreational Resort Cottages by throwing in something different, something that could be a conversation piece whenever people walk into your tiny home. And notice, even with that said, you have the additional cabinetry up top, you have the additional cabinetry down below, and then you even have enough space, as you see over here, that you can include a small table as well. So not only do you have the extended bar area on the countertop, but you have enough space right here for a small dining or bistro table, and then the built-in hutch. So the Seaglass is checking all the boxes right here in the front living area. And as you make your way down the kitchen, you'll see, of course, we do full-size appliances here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So we got the stainless steel smooth top. You can go gas, shall you choose to. We've got the convection oven, as well as the microwave up top. Additional cabinetry, we trimmed out the cabinets at the top, so that way you can store more decor or a storage space up there for items as well. And notice that we have trims and windows going from front to back of this home in the main living area. And as you make your way back, you can see you still have space right here at the hutch, but then we have the stainless steel fridge, and then right across, we have your bathroom. So you come into the bathroom, we kept the drama marble going. What we've done is continue this countertop going over your toilet, because the extra space that you have, the extra space that you can utilize. So that way you can put items whatever you like here. And then we chose to throw in a linen up above your toilet. We have the small window right here as well. And then as you make your way in here, you'll see that we have the tile shower, the walk-in tile shower with the glass door. We have the Carrera tile. This one time we chose to go with a vertical pattern. We did the tan grout. So that's a great combination, still keeping it open and airy throughout the entire home. Then as you follow me back, you can see that we have the connections right here for a stackable washing machine and dryer. Those are usually a 24-inch stackable washer and dryer you can choose to have in there. And then you make your way into the bedroom. The bedroom space, you're going to be able to accommodate up to a queen size bed. You can go bigger, but then it turns into a bedroom. So we're trying to utilize the space, but with the queen, you still have enough space to move around. We have the window here off the rear of the home. We have the white cabinet covering up your electrical panel box. The home is 100 amp electric service. You can choose to go 50 amp with a pigtail, shall you need to do that. That is an option for you. And then right across here, we have the drawers. We have the 4 drawers here built in for your dresser. We have the double doors here for your closets. Bifold doors on them. We didn't do barn doors on this. We just want to show you different options that we got here. And then you can see just the ceiling height. So if you're looking for a model with no loft, you can see bedroom front to back, you have tall ceilings throughout, still got the ceiling fan in here. And then follow me back through, and you can see when we have the tall ceilings and no loft, you can see how this opens up from front to back. And keep in mind, look at that prismatic window. That's just boasting character from outside and inside. So the Seaglass is one for the books. Seaglass brings a lot of class if you're currently in the tiny home market. And keep in mind, like I said before, this home right here is 11 feet wide. It's 40 feet long, and that's including the 6-foot front porch. On sale today for $82K. $82,000, you're gonna get everything I showcased today. All we do is take out the furniture and decorations. And thank you guys, I wanna thank you for tuning in. All you have to do to show me that you enjoyed this Seaglass is leave a like. Leave a like, let me know, so that way this video can spread out to more people currently in the market for a tiny home. Also, you can choose to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every week as I drop new videos. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know I don't only do tiny homes, even though my name's Mr. Tiny, I go big. So I can do everything from 399 square feet up to 2,500 square feet. And if you want to see that, just let me know and stay tuned. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of the Seaglass was today. And that way I can keep coming. Did you love the second sink in the kitchen? Did you like the 6-foot front porch, the tile shower? Let me know those things so that way we can keep those coming in new videos. Also, if you want to contact me directly about purchasing the Seaglass, run over to my Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Seaglass as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me directly. Don't have to go through an automated line, robots. It's me, day or night, and I'll make sure I get that price right. And just thank you again, guys, for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.